how to see message request on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see message request on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to actually see message request on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram app. If you wanted to view a normal message, what you would need to do is you would need to come to your page, and then over here you would be able to see all the messages that you've actually received. But let's say that you want to go ahead and then actually view the messages that are in your request folder. In order to do that, all you have to do is tap on the request tab, which you see on the DMs page, and then you'll be able to see all of the restricted messages as well as the spam messages. So if you want, you can also see the hidden request over here by tapping on the hidden request option. There will be more chats underneath it, but just for now you'll be able to go ahead and find them just within this specific page right over here. And this is basically how you can go ahead and see message request on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.